Oh.
Yes.
Happy holidays. Hopefully you'll use it greatly.
Ano, hindi.
Good luck opening na.
Isukat tayo violet ko na.
Good luck opening.
What is it?
Greatly.
What is it?
Wow.
Hair wax.
Thank you.
And then yung kay mami, all the budget went there.
Na. Hindi, mama.
Apa
All
rin?
the budget kung mami daw. All the budget
Mm.
Of course, di paborito siya. Daw regalo na. Happy holidays, mother. Hope you will enjoy my small gift. Mommy. To Mommy Lotlot from Snow. Dapat ribbon na, drawing. Ito mo bigayagi.
What's that?
Ano din? Net, ay laptop stand. Pa? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, Daddy.
Daddy ka na. Daddy.
Mola.
Wala yung message niya, no? Oh, from impromptu na lang.
You say the message na.
You say the message na. Yan, tayo. Oh, meet the card na.
Happy holidays. Aha.
Talibatan.
Happy holidays, Daddy. Sana magamit mo. It's the same as I said to all of them.
It's the same thing.
I said the same thing with everyone. Sana magamit yung kay Papa. Sorry, walang budget yung kay Mama. Sana magamit mo. Sana magamit mo.
Pigisin mo. Pigisin mo. Pa? Pigisin mo.
Sudah kau tak naik.
Doble mati.
Supo na.
Supo na. Ne. Miniso ko na naman.
Awa. Alam mo. Ano tintay mamay?
Nasi berubah.
Lagi nga. Ano tintay?
Ano pa eh?
Hindi. Badin sa.
Okay, sino pa? Sumunod na. Wanin. About you, two of you.
Next. Pero yung gift nyo.
Si Daddy yung
From
ba siya?
Daddy.
Hindi na pa naglukat si gift na.
Deta, deta.
Happy open your gift.
Ay, siya yan. Ay, okay. Next.
At dapat gift mo kay Ana pa linukatan.
Ne, di gift mo ka no. Di bali no ka to. Nakaluka. Di gamay.
Tamu pula kini kau nak. Sakit lang.
Ne.
Sabay-sabay na mag-open.
Okay.
Ano, gibid-video na.
Gift bikin ni Papa.
Open, di, das no ba lang ma. Di gift da. Yung intik daddy da. Ne.
Ano deta?
Pau. Kor.
Loud,
Oh,
sa.
bikini.
Na.
Bikining itim.
Beginning ite.
Delikado ah.
Siguro tumatam-taman na ta.
Ano pa eh?
Ni Snow. Nag-open kami tin Snow.
Sa gift mo ba? Ni Ilolo.
Ay, siya man ay. Ako, excited na di kita gift dang. Kita na. Ready na.
Mama's gift and Papa's
Thank
gift.
you. Ay, so, ito pag New Year ko, Mumu dress. Thank you.
Direct.
Mumu dress, oh. Ka. Nangina dito, tela na pa lang. Hawak pa lang.
Ma, tinanggal mo
Tutok ka
yung price
ba?
tag. Tinanggal mo price tag.
Tinanggal dati yung gift wrap.
Thank you.
Hmm.
So, ito pag New Year ko. Next. Gimatang lata mo dito yan. Gimatang lata yung wallet ko. Tumain.
Haan. Ano pa mo ni Snow?
Penting kau.
So, sakto. Ang pantikong. Wow!
Okay na
Comfy
lang.
feet.
Ah, tama.
Extra large meat na dati ma.
Han.
Kaya nga umanay anong ex na.
Dadakay.
Nagdakil di ka po.
Kumanakin is now. Di kumanakin ka.
Joke lang, mother. It's Christmas. Next. Apo, nanginala tao eh. Ulatan.
Kita, danto i-treasure mo.
Ayan. Anda tao eh. Place one. Place mat talaga, mother.
Ayaw mo. Paano
Okay.
tuwing kakain ka, maalala mo si mama.
Okay.
Ibangin rin.
Hindi naman ako kumakain. Oh, next! Oh?
Eh, wow.
Ay, wow. Thank you, Mama, Papa. I forgot to say thank you. Ay, so cute.
Okay.
Okay.
Kasya.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ano ba? Dada ng pantalon.
No, it's not.
Na, nagitan na lang yung pantalon. Te. Next.
Is this one pen?
I don't know.
Wait. What are you?
Wala akong yan.
Wala kang ganyan. Ah. You showing the video?
How are you opening the same thing?
Why do you keep copying?
Keep copying. Next!
Oh,
Wait lang, bro.
May nag-gabay-gabay.
I'm gonna open this one. Uy. That's for Mama and Papa.
Pagpakita mo yun ni mamang matalegs na nga.
I-open na show, anak ko. Show. Jacket.
finally another jacket for you.
Finally, I have jacket to you. What will you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
What's that snow?
The three.
Use for what is that?
Engineering.
Ni mama, may tala tayo pagpakita na may talegs na nga nakapimpintas.
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Ibaba nyo kasi sa baba kung nahulog, wala na. There. Ipatong mo dun sa gift wrap, anak. Put muna
This
sa
one, you
baba.
open this one. Daddy said, no, you open this one. Do you have one more?
No.
Oh, you open this one. Because Daddy said we share that.
So that one we share too?
No! Sige, mag-pink ka.
Okay, this one here.
Uy! Huy!
Eh,
Huy! Huy! Huy!
That one we share, this one
That
we
was
share.
six.
You can keep
I
that.
saw six.
Take this.
I saw six.
No.
You give me the half.
They said we share that.
The
we share
number of
this,
that
but we
divided
both
by
agree
2.
now that
No!
I own this, you own that.
No! No! Wait.
Oh.
Huy!
How about the others?
Okay,
Uy,
let's
open.
let's present.
Let's to the next. Go to the next. Go to the next. The video is...
Open mama's gift.
Oh, that's from mama.
Papa's gift. From Papa and Mama.
Wow.
Yeah, my pants. I have 2 pants na.
Ah.
How about Von? First for Von.
Yeah.
Oh.
From Papa and Mama. Oh, there.
Why so small?
Open your wallet.
Their money?
Is there money?
Open your wallet na, Mama. Give you.
Why only violet? Why not green or blue? Or yellow?
Blue.
Blue.
Sukat ang tay wallet mo na. Nga, o wallet mo pala di ubing ka.
Ay, ano?
Hoy, nagbanto pa di wallet na.
No more?
Your leather.
Enough na?
Ha?
Ah, what are those?
Din pala may panty.
Spam. Still have spam.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, the same one, mami.
Yours is colorful.
I think this one only lasts one day.
One day.
Panty kasi.
There.
What more?
Uy, nata 3 times a day. Oh, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
At dapat gift nga ng open is now.
Whose gift is that?
Ang papa and mama datuan.
Nahulog na anak, oh. May chocolate.
Na, open na, it's no.
Why did you dump the chocolate? Uy.
The bottom.
Na, you open na, it's no, first.
Ay, baka itago ni Kuya eh.
What's that?
Ito pa yung resibo. Dito pa yung resibo.
Ano ba yan?
No.
Ay, kasi di mo
Dito pa yung...
hindi natanggal. Never mind.
I'm not supposed to see. This is some price, bro. I see it. I will pretend I do not see. T-shirt.
Ah, nice.
And then another
Benz.
leather.
Nagano lang sleeve na.
Pang ano dito?
Uy, where's the
Kasi
chocolate?
kasi lamiting.
No more. Finish already.
Wait lang. Final na.
Na,
The
faster.
last one.
Idea of card.
I feel sleepy na. What's that?
Adidas.
Ah, that one.
Our gift.
Yeah, because I used the other shoes yesterday. Hmm.
Oh, good.
Is that Adidas?
Yes.
Okay, how about Von? Why do you have no shoes, Von?
Ano kaya?
The shoes ngayon ni daddy na.
Oh, no more.
Oh, you give piso to papa.
Finish na.
Piso?
Oh,
Piso?
kasi giniprop yun.
Ang nag-ifrap.
What piso?
Nakasupo mo.
Okay, enough na.
Ma.
Oh,
You pay anak.
okay.